Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. You need to begin by opening High Theme app. Now select Theme section at the bottom between Wallpaper and Discovery. Tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. Click on one of those options or just tap on one of those themes over here. Wherever you decided when you're ready. I will go with this theme. Select Download at the bottom. Now click on Apply and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to the default one, go into Devices Settings instead. Scroll down. Click on Theme and Lock Screen. Select My Theme at the top. And click on this one, which is your default one. Lastly, tap on Apply. As you can see, after that, my default theme is back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!